Hi everyone. These days, because of the pandemic, more and more people are creating websites and making money from them. I can understand and I can fully empathize. I have gone through what you are going through. I went through the dot-com bubble burst and the Asian financial crisis. And after these two painful lessons, I made the decision to use my digital marketing skills to create online businesses to generate income. In the past videos, we have covered the topics about creating a website and promoting it. Now it's time to make some money, right? Today, I will discuss with you 7 ways to make money from your website. This is part of the Business 101 series. I created this series to help you learn how to start and grow an online business. So, if you would like to be updated whenever I upload a new video, remember to subscribe. Basically, you can sell your own products or other people's products. There are those of you who have ideas for creating your own unique products. In this case, you would be looking to manufacture your own products and selling them on your website. And then there are those who like to create similar products to others. You intend to create that similar product and then slap on your own brand and label on it. This is called private label. Some of you prefer not to get into manufacturing and selling your own products. You prefer to sell other people's products. Here, the options are many. For example, you can buy wholesale and sell those products. You can do affiliate marketing or even dropshipping. And then there are other ways to make money from your website. One of it is by simply offering ad spaces on your website. E-commerce is big and getting bigger. As in this report by eMarketer, it says that despite a challenging year for retail in 2020, they estimate that worldwide retail sales posted a 27.6% growth rate for the year, with sales reaching over $4 trillion. And that same eMarketer report says that worldwide e-commerce will approach $5 trillion this year in 2021. You can tap on that phenomenally huge market by building your own online store and selling your own unique products. That is, a product that is your own unique idea and new to the market. Setting up an online store is not as easy as it seems though, and certainly not as simple as many online, so-called gurus purport it to be. It takes a lot of hard work, time and effort. I should know. This was one of the first ways I thought of making money online. And if you want to start an online store, you can either hire an e-commerce development team to create that store, or you can sign up with Shopify and use the tools and features there to create it. And then there's a matter of finding the right product and partner to manufacture it for you. As you can see, you need to put a lot of hard work, time and effort in this endeavor, especially in finding a good product, a quality product, and one that sells well. This requires a lot of research and testing time. And if you are manufacturing your own unique product, you will need to create a prototype, then test the market to see if people like it and will buy it. After that, you need to find a good and reliable manufacturer who will create your product with the highest quality possible and consistency too. And then there's the logistics to store it, ship it, and fulfill sales order. And let us not forget the hard work, time, and effort needed to create brand awareness. You will be new to the market, and people need to be familiar with your brand. They need time to get to know your brand, test it, and eventually trust it. This requires extensive marketing efforts, not only to build your brand, because after brand awareness, you need to grow your brand and capture the market. This is also under the topic of manufacturing your own unique product. But I would like to give it a special mention because digital products are different from physical products. Digital products are those that are in a digital format. They do not have a physical form, but they can be converted into a physical form. For example, a printable design can be printed into a physical sticker. There are all kinds of digital products you can create. For example, you can create an app, online courses, ebooks, plugins, videos, graphics, graphic designs, art, checklists, printables, etc. And you can earn a very good income if you're able to create something that is in demand. After you have created your digital product, you can sell it on your website and make some money. There are also online marketplaces that can help you sell your digital products too. For example, you can offer your ebook on Amazon or your handcrafted goods on Etsy. I know this video is about making money from your website, but the idea of selling your digital products like that on online marketplaces is that it can help you to create brand awareness of your product and your brand. And you can draw customers to your online store and get them to purchase more products from there in the future. A private label product is when you sell a product that is already being manufactured by a third-party manufacturer. You can make some modifications to the product and then simply add your brand and logo on it, and it becomes your private label product. Some retailers choose this model because it reduces research and testing time. Plus, they will find a product that is already selling well, then copy it, make some modifications, and then add their brand and logo on it and becomes their product. For example, a water bottle that's being manufactured by a third-party company. You can get that company to create that same bottle, maybe modify it a little, for example, have it in various different colors that are not in the market yet, then simply add your brand to it, and it becomes your private label product that you can sell on your website. I have tried this before and I have found it to be a lot of hard work, time and effort. To produce such a product is almost the same as creating a unique product. You may just not need to create a prototype or test the market since it is a product already selling well. But the downside of this is brand parity. Because your product is similar to other products, and there may be many other businesses that are also selling this similar private label products. Consumers will see no difference between all these products and will choose the cheapest option. This will make it more difficult to build your brand and also brand loyalty. I have tried many other ways to make money online, and this is my favorite. I really like affiliate marketing because I found this to be the best way and that is closest to creating passive income. To me, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to create passive income. Affiliate marketing is when you become an affiliate for a brand and you promote their product or service. The company gives you a unique affiliate link that you can use on your website. You can write an article about the product or service and then add the affiliate link within the content. When a visitor comes to your website, reads the content, then clicks on the affiliate link and buys the product, you earn a commission. For example, when you are an affiliate for a health product, you write a blog post about that health product. People visit your post and then click on the link. They buy the product, you earn a commission. This is nothing new really. In the physical world, salespeople go around promoting a product, and when they get a sale, they too earn a commission. With affiliate marketing, it is all done online. Of course, there are correct steps to do affiliate marketing the right way. As I mentioned to you in previous videos, you need to learn how to do it right. So education is important. Equally important is to get help and support, especially from experienced entrepreneurs. You do get that from a platform that I personally use until today. Go to the description below. There is an offer for some free training on this platform. Click on the link and get it now. Continuing about affiliate marketing, there are many benefits. One is you do not need to find manufacturers or risk dealing with risky ones. You do not need to spend time or money to research, create, and purchase products. You do not need to stock or manage any inventory. You do not need to fulfill orders. And here's the best part. You do not need to handle or manage any customers. It is all done by the company you are affiliated to. I used to own an online store selling incense. The thing is, I don't manufacture incense. So what do I do? Or what did I do? I scoured the internet to look for wholesalers of incenses, and I found one, talked to them, made a good deal, and then purchased the incenses in large quantities at wholesale prices. And then I sold it at physical stores as well as online. It was quite lucrative, especially if you're one of the few retailers doing this in your area. But when more competition came on, it was quite tough, and it can be quite tough. So also this way will require that you have enough budget to buy the products upfront, then get sales and revenue over the months ahead. If you are unable to sell all your products that you bought, you will end up with losses. But still, if this is the way you would like to make money from your website, then you need to find the wholesaler for your niche first. If you can, ask for samples to test the quality of the products. Then use the samples to test if your market likes the products. Then if it's suitable, then try to get the best deal from your wholesaler. That is, get better discounted rates when possible, and try to bargain for lower quantities to start with. Then you buy the products. You can find a place to store your products, or rather you need to find a place to store your products. Then promote the products on your website and physical store if you have, and the idea eventually is to get sales and revenue. But as I mentioned, this can take time, so you need to have enough budget and funds to tie you over at least a year or so. Dropshipping was another one of my attempts at e-commerce. When I first learned about it, I found out that I could save some costs, hard work, time and effort, as compared to manufacturing your own unique products and private label. But there are still some disadvantages as well as advantages, and I will share all these with you after I explain what is dropshipping. You can sell products from a supplier and need not buy in large bulk like wholesale. You don't even need to keep a single stock of item at all. With dropshipping, you can find products that you would like to sell at your online store, place them on your store, promote them, and when the visitor arrives and order an item, you confirm the sale, you get paid, and then you go buy the item from the supplier at a lower cost and get the supplier to ship to the customer also. The difference between the sale price and the cost price of the item, including shipping, will be your profit. As mentioned above, there are some advantages to doing dropshipping. They are: you do not need to manufacture or produce these products. You do not need to stock any inventory. You can sell a wider range and variety of products. You do not need to handle or manage shipping. Your fulfillment costs can be lower when you find lower shipping with lower costs. And then there are also the disadvantages. You need to find good products with good quality. You need to find good and reliable suppliers. You need to constantly monitor stock availability with each supplier. You need to constantly update your website, especially when a product is hot and can get out of stock quickly. You will also need to find low shipping costs, as low as possible. You need to build brand equity, and you need to spend more on advertising and promotions. Your profits will be relatively lower, and there can be poorer quality control. Having said all that, I have done dropshipping and I will still consider doing it again. But at this point of time, I just find it better to build brand equity. In the meantime, I still prefer affiliate marketing. This is because I am teaching most of the time, and with affiliate marketing, I just create content, leave it on my website, promote it, and then get sales. In fact, many times I get sales when I'm teaching or even when I'm sleeping. Another way to make money from your website is to offer space on your website for advertisements. You can do this directly with advertisers, or you can join an ad network. When you do it direct with advertisers, you will need to put in some time and effort to search for suitable advertisers who will be keen to place ads on your website. You can then charge them money for the ads to be placed. An alternative is to join an ad network like Google AdSense, Media.net, Contera, Infolinks, and more. How this works is you join the ad network. Each network will have their criteria to qualify. Then after you are approved, you get a code to add to your website. You are then known as the publisher. This code will create banners on your website at locations that you can specify, and these ads will come from the ad network. Any revenue earned from this advertising is shared between the ad network and you. For example, some ad networks pay for impressions. That means you get paid when visitors see the ads. Some ad networks pay only when visitors click on the ads, and some require visitors to ultimately purchase the advertised product in order for you to earn a commission. For this method, it is best you get more traffic on your website before you consider this option. This is because most ad networks have this as a major requirement. So this means you need to create more and better quality content and drive more traffic to your website first. So there you have it, the 7 ways to make money from your website. Number 1, make money from creating and selling your own unique products. Number 2, make money from creating and selling your own unique digital products. And number 3, make money from creating and selling your private label products. Number 4, my favorite, make money from affiliate marketing. Number 5, make money from buying wholesale and selling other people's products. Number 6, make money from drop shipping. And number 7, make money from online advertisements. Did this video help you and give you some ideas? Or which ones are you already doing and how is it going? Do let me know in the comments below. Again, this video is about making money from your website. Of course, if we are talking about making money online, there are plenty more ways to do it. I will be doing another video about that. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button to get updates whenever I upload a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.